Hello, I'm Alice, your AI language fluency mentor in VoiceEra. My goal is to help you speak confidently, improve continuously, and sound natural in every conversation. When you start speaking, I listen carefully to every word. I identify grammar mistakes, filler words, and sentences that can be improved. Then I show you the correct version with clear explanations so you understand how to speak better. I also analyze your fluency by measuring your speaking pace, pauses, and overall flow. With visual feedback and simple insights, you can clearly see how your communication improves over time. If you mispronounce a word, I guide you with the correct pronunciation, meaning, and a match score to help you practice until it sounds right. With regular practice, you'll notice your speaking becoming smoother, clearer, and more confident. Let's start improving your language fluency together with VoiceEra. Download now.